Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to find the largest and smaller items in a collection in Python. To find the largest item in a collection, HeapQ module has a function called largest. We pass it two arguments. The first one is the number of items that we want to retrieve. The second one is the collection name. Let's see how to do it. First, I'm going to import HeapQ. Import HeapQ. Now I'm going to create a list of numbers. List numbers 1, 2, 3, 400, 500, 8, 90. Just as some random numbers. And now I'm going to use heapQ's function and largest. So it's going to be like this. Print heap q dot n largest, and I'm going to find total of three largest numbers from our list and pass in our list name list underscore numbers. And now we can run our script and check the results. And we can see it printed out our three largest numbers from our list. Now we are going to find the smallest. I'll just clear the terminal. To find the smallest items in a collection, we can use n-smallest function from heapq. So we are going to use similar statement. It's going to be print heapq, and now we are going to use n smallest and pass in 3. We are looking for 3 smallest number from our list, and then we are going to pass in the list name, list numbers, and just going to save and run. And now we have the largest numbers and the smallest numbers from the list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.